From Global's newsroom at 2 o'clock, the Prime Minister says the public should think carefully before attending Christmas celebrations. He was speaking after more than 78,000 new coronavirus infections were reported in the UK, the highest daily figure since the pandemic began. England's Chief Medical Officer, Professor Chris Whitty, says there should be really serious caution over reports of a reduction in hospital admissions in cases of the more transmissible Omicron variant in South Africa, where it was first identified. And Professor in Medical Microbiology at the University of East London, Sally Jane Cutler, told LBC it's hard to make comparisons with the UK.
We've actually got a much elder population. So the fully vaccination level in the population is only about 25%, whereas we've got a much more significantly vaccinated population. But we don't really know how good that heightened immunity is going to actually protect us.
The World Health Organization's Special Envoy on COVID-19, Dr. David Nabarro, says the rise in cases in the UK is just the beginning of an acceleration.
There are two epidemics going on, Delta and Omicron, and it is an emergency situation for the British Health Service. It will get extremely serious within the next 2 weeks, perhaps quicker.
A woman who murdered her partner's 16-month-old daughter in West Yorkshire has been sentenced to life in prison. Savannah Brockhill will serve at least 25 years. Star Hobson's mother, Frankie Smith, was given 8 years. Anita Banerjee is from the Crown Prosecution Service.
Throughout her short life, Star was subjected to endless physical assaults and psychological harm. Instead of the love and protection, she experienced a world of humiliation, cruelty and pain at the hands of those who should have protected her the most.
2 people have been confirmed as missing following a fire in a block of flats last night at Reading in Berkshire. 1 person died and 4 people were treated in hospital. A 31-year-old man's been arrested on suspicion of murder and arson. 2 Insulate Britain protesters have been jailed for nearly 3 months and another 7 have been given suspended sentences after demonstrations on the M25. The High Court in London heard they'd admitted breaching injunctions designed to prevent climate change stunts. LBC weather, clear spells across northeast Wales, northern, central and eastern England, where some frost and fog is possible. Later it'll be mainly dry but rather cloudy across many areas. Some sunny spells though, mainly in the northeast, and a high of 11 degrees. From Global's newsroom for LBC, I'm Andy Ivy.